Hayi mfana wethi kuhle kubi kunjalo. Yeah no isiwelele sifike sine plan yaso. uRicardo Gosing mesabe ngewarm up. Ngibona khona la ireserve lakhe ekade lise center ngenzansi yena esepalini. Alishayela lamaphasi ngabona ngathi khona into akazoyenza lola. Kodwa we are not professional enough. You cannot have so many chances and end up scoring one. Yeah, no, we had so many chances. Yes, the goalkeeper had a great game. The other thing that is happening now at Pirates, they only have 2 strikers. So they are sure, even if they can miss 100 goals, the following game, one of them will start and the other will be on the bench. So they are not going to eat ice like the midfielders and defenders, you see. So that is a problem. Our coach as well, you know, Maswanga has been saving us for the past few games. Yes, but today he only introduced him after 80 minutes, which was not fair enough. I think he's scared of sometimes you need to substitute him for King just to lift him up.
Thank you.
So that he can see.
He can watch the game.
Yes, but he watches football like us. Yes, Mfukeng, it's not easy to substitute him because he can give you anything. He cannot play the whole 90 minutes and then get one chance, makes a plan. But sometimes you need to pull him off when you see the going is getting so tough.
Surprise opponent.
Yes, our players, they considered defeat later on in the second half. They considered that no, we already lost. Lokho ke okusibulalile ngoba ubonile vele nendlela kade sebedlala ngayo ukuthi kade sebevumile ukuthi hayi la siyadliwa. Ngoba phela idraw ku Pirates ukudliwa ngoba Sundowns ila and Sundowns iyayazi league indlela edlale ngayizola ingethusile mina bengilapha eLoftus lapha ngibuka lapha ngiphume ngijabule kusekwathi ngizengazama ukuthenga amathikithi emva kwegame ngifuna ukuyibonga nje ibhola esibukisele lona kodwa ke kwasho ukuthi hayi ilokhuzana uthi ubani open tickets uthi this event is over. Yeah, angangabe ngisakwazi kodwa manje inkinga ukulandelwa iSundowns izikhe zawo ziyezwakala bayayazi le kodwa nayo kule midlalo esasele isazoshumpuka abafana yakwazi ukushumpuka mawuthi ukhahlela ibhola bese uyalimisa kushumpuka lokho ngesizulu. Yeah, isazoshumpuka na iSundowns khona basazoyibamba abafana nje abaqinise igame elandelayo benze isiqiniseko sokuthi bayayiwina. Ngalewa lokho akubi kangako kodwa nje ukuthi asijwayele ukuthi uthole sesilandela ngemumva eOrlando. Sijwayele ukuthi sihambe phambili ya. Isiwelele sisishaye ngesurprise. Kodwa ayakonakele. Akonakele. Yeah.
Siyabonga kakhulu baba.
Kubonga mina bhuti.
Thank you baba.
Thank you.